Друзья, всем привет! Меня зовут Трой, и я рад приветствовать вас на своем канале. Сегодня мы будем делать фотоманипуляцию с цветным дымом. В принципе, ничего сложного, я думаю, вы легко повторите. Напоминаю, все исходные материалы вы можете скачать по ссылке в описании, а также обязательно подпишитесь на канал, чтобы не пропустить новые ролики. Итак, поехали!
Set a young heart on the run, to see it crashing out the sky, falling one by one. Walking alone on the coldest night. There's nothing I could ever say to change your mind. I gotta live without your love, we've said goodbye. There's nothing I could ever say to change your dreams and the memories we've made, to see it crashing out the skies like a tidal wave down on me. Walking alone on the coldest night, there's nothing I can ever say to change your mind. I gotta live without your love, we've said goodbye. There's nothing I can ever say to change your mind.
You say I make you nervous, a tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster, a reckoning, you wonder how I got this way. You think I'm someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame. Oh, some things never change, never change. You think I would look pretty on your arm once you cover up my bruises and battle scars, but it always ends the same. Can't bear the things I've had to face, got you crying on your knees in pain. Oh, some things never change, never change. Oh, you break your back to make me feel again. I stopped asking for forgiveness, cause you should know only fools tread where the angels fear to go, but you keep trying to get too close. Save myself by turning into stone, so save your judgment cause you just don't know. But some things never change, never change. Oh, they say I should feel guilty and change my ways, leaving crumpled bodies in my wake. Swear I didn't mean to make them break, swear I didn't mean to make them break. But they're so delicate and so mundane, and they keep coming like a moth to a flame. Oh, some things never change, never change. You break your back to make me feel again.
Всем огромное спасибо за просмотр, жду ваши комментарии под этим видео. Не забудьте поставить лайк и подписаться на канал. Но на этом у меня все. Всем удачи, всем пока.